Take a look at this question. This is in your textbook, page 69, question number 39. If you look at this question, right, you know, there's a 2b and there's a b, okay? You can write them together. 2b minus b. So this can be written as, this expression can be written as 2b minus b plus 8 plus 2, right? Because you're writing the like terms together. 2b and b are like terms, and 8 and 2 are like terms. So 2b minus b is b, 1b, okay? 8 plus 2 is 10. So the answer is b plus 10. Take a look at the next question. This is in your textbook, page 126, question number 20. So there are two parts to this question. Solve the equation and also check your answer. I'm only doing the first part of the equation. C divided by 5 minus 4 equals -3. So if you add 4 on both sides of the equation, you get C divided by 5 equals -3 plus 4. Okay, so now if you multiply both sides with 5, you get C times or C divided by 5 times 5 equals 1 times 5. So 5 and 5 you can cancel them, so you will get C equals 5. So again, this is also in your textbook, page 126, question number 29. Take a look at this question. This is simple. So all you have to do is to subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. That's step number 1. Then you will get this, and then you multiply with 5, then on both sides of the equation you multiply with 5, okay? And then you will get so here there's a 5 and there's a 5 here and 5 here. You can cancel them, or 5 divided by 5. In other words, 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So on the left hand side you will get negative 2x, and on the right hand side 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so and you divide both sides of this equation with -2, you will get x equals -10. Now to the second part of the equation, which is checking your answer. So how you want to check your answer is that here's your original question or original equation, right? You write that down, and we found out that the value of x is -10, right? So replace x here with -10. Then you will get -2 by 5 times -10 plus 4 equals 8 basically. Okay, I didn't write 8, but you can write equals 8. I'll write it. Equals 8. And then on the left hand side, if you solve this, you'll get 20 divided by 5 plus 4, okay, again equals 8. And again on the left hand side you'll get 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is 8, right? And on the right hand side you have 8 already, right? On the right hand side you have 8. okay, and on the left hand side you get 4 plus 4, so 8 equals 8, which is true. This is a true statement, therefore our answer is correct. Take a look at this question. This is also in your textbook, page 126, question number 45. And again, this is a simple one. I have written all the steps for this, so just go through this. Okay. Another question. This is in page 125, question number 10. Look at this question. Okay. So if you look at this graph, this is the this is a graph of an inequality. Okay, pay attention here. This is not touching -2. What that means is that the inequality representing this graph has to be either less than or greater than, right? It's not equal to. Okay, it's not touching -2, so it's not equal to -2. So the inequality that representing this graph is, so if you look at this graph, right, the value of the variable is always it's less than -2, right? It's less than -2. It's 92 or 93 or 94 or 95 or any value that is less than 92. It's not touching 92, so the variable is not equal to 92. So the solution is the inequality representing this graph is x less than -2. Take a look at this question. Okay, in order to solve this, divide both sides of the inequality with -6. So whenever you divide both sides of an inequality with a negative number, you know the drill, right? You'll have to reverse this sign. So this less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. Okay, so it's a simple one. So you'll get w greater than or equal to -2. So what that means is in this graph, the value of variable can be -2. So if you look at this point, right, this is, you have to darken this point. Okay, unlike the previous, if you look at the previous example, this point is not darkened. Okay, this is sort of an open dot. Okay, but if you look at this graph, because this inequality is greater than or equal to, okay, this has to be a completely closed dot. So the value of w is always greater than -2. So this is the graph.